My name is Carsten Nyhues. I'm from Joplin, Missouri. The reason why I attend Drone Command is I've looked for a very long time to find something so I can get out of the corporate hamster wheel. Drone Command aligns with interests that I have and values that I have. So far, after one day, my biggest takeaway is that there is an insane opportunity to make money. This training is not to fly. This training is a guide to be successful in a business. Yeah, there's endless opportunities. Anyone who has heard about drone command should attend, should tell others. This training is like no other you ever have seen, like I have never attended. It is structured fantastically, presented in a professional way, understandable for everyone. And it is mind changing, opening eyes. The most valuable lesson so far is the importance of the product. It is not whether you can fly or not, or whether you offer a service or not. It is how do you convey it, make the customer's vision or the client's vision your mission. That way you can sign the client and secure the business. However, you cannot do everything on your own, especially if the business is growing. You have to employ professionals to do the back work for you, like video editing, other things, maybe even hiring pilots to do the surveys, the pictures, the videos. How do I describe Damon and Diego? They're extremely knowledgeable, skilled in what they do, and how they present it to everyone in the audience. They're sensitive, they're engaging, and their approach will leave you with an understanding and with an awe that, oh, I didn't expect that. I'm looking forward to the next day and what the future holds.